I care about Fox bodies. I understand all the challenges that come with it, obviously. She moves! Don't tell my dad. I love this car. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I am not Matt. Fortunately, my dad is not available today, so you're going to be stuck with me for this video on the channel. Luckily, we are dealing with my car, Halo. She's the 86. She's got fuel pump issues. Hopefully, we're going to get those taken care of. We are here at Fox Resto today with Matt and Della, and let's see what we got going on.
But basically, what we got is you got two straps that hold up the whole fuel tank to the car. Okay, we got a bolt, one 13mm bolt on each strap. So what I do is I take one strap down, let the car down, support the fuel tank, put the other strap down, and at that point, we'll wiggle the fuel tank out of the car. And then it won't be disconnected yet. So once we have it loose and kind of hanging from the car, the filler neck's gonna be stuck in this end, which is the part right here where you put the gas in through. And then the fuel lines and the electrical connector are still gonna be connected. Once we get it loose and down, then we'll go ahead and disconnect that stuff. Once that's disconnected, we'll pull the tank out away from the car, and then we go ahead, there's a lock ring in the top, we'll undo that, pull the assembly out and see what's going on. See if we can see anything that's obvious.
Yep.
All right.
That sounds pretty good to me. Let's do it.
Alright, so come here, this is what I want you to do. You're gonna have to wear your, okay, you got those on. So, you see these four tabs. You got this tab, this tab, this tab, and this tab.
Yeah.
Alright, so what you're gonna do is we gotta unlock that. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna have this like this. You're gonna do a little tap. See how it started to go that way? We wanna keep going that way. So go, little tap. And you want to hit it enough that it actually starts to move. So don't bend these.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
So just keep going, just keep working that. You have to get you a hanger. That is rusted bad. Alright, just knock that off. Alright, you ready with this thing? There we go. Wiggle, wiggle, pull. It'll break loose. There's just a seal holding it. There's just an old seal kind of stuck. You can tug on it a little bit.
Yeah, try. Here's to my dad's hamstring. There we go.
There you go. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is this is like a whole thing right here. And turn it around. Do all this. Okay. This is the original pump. Date, April 2nd, 1986.
All right, y'all, so that is our problem right there. I don't know if you can quite see it on camera, but that is completely busted through. That is the original hose, so we're not surprised. I mean, everything's almost original on this car. It's 37 years old, you know. Issues, age, we all get old. I know my dad makes those jokes, but you're gonna get the same ones from me today. But so we're gonna get that all fixed up and we should be good. Thankfully, it's not any worse issues. A little bit concerned about some of this rust, but honestly, we're in good shape. Halo's being nice to us for once. We appreciate it, y'all. But so I'll check back in once we get that taken care of. It should be a pretty short video for y'all. And yep, see you in a bit. All right, guys, we're looking at some new stuff here. I would be lying if I said I knew what exactly everything was because honestly, oh, I still got my glasses on. Whenever my dad started this channel, he was certainly not a mechanic. He says he still isn't now. I would have to beg otherwise. He has learned a lot over the years, but I am not there yet. Been raised around this, but I enjoy all of the FoxBody community. I do not know very much myself. That's why we're out here learning. So you're gonna have to bear with me, y'all. Can we do that? We can deal with that.
Look at that, it's just crumbling.
Literally crumbling. It's crazy. Can y'all see that? Wild. 17-year-old with a 37-year-old car. This is the kind of issues that we get to deal with. So we got that in. Hopefully it's right. Waiting on Matt to get back to confirm, make sure I'm not messing everything up. Slightly different, the hose that they gave us is curved, whereas the one originally was straight, as we saw, so that's why we kind of got it in backwards right now. If we need to take it out and redo it, so be it, but currently that's what we're working with.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Quite a bit. So this is us just sitting. If you're noticing, we're not shaking. There is almost no vibration in this car. It is almost as if she is not even on, but then she moves. She moves. Got this window open. Going the speed limit, of course. Don't tell my dad.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But goodness, I'm in love with this car. So we did have a little bit of issue with the aftermarket fuel pump. The hanger actually was the main issue. It was not sitting properly. We had to sort of wrangle it into fit, but once we got her fit, she's solid. She's not going anywhere. Hopefully won't have to replace her again. But my goodness, I don't know where I'm going right now, y'all. I'm enjoying having my car back. That is what is happening right now. Absolutely. Woo! Do y'all hear that? Or rather, do you not hear that? You notice the absence of the noise in the cabin, which was already taken care of with replacing the exhaust to get those flow masters in. So she still sounds good, but wow. This is the smoothest that she has ridden. And remember, we have not, as of me filming this video, we have not done anything with the suspension yet. So she is still riding really rough. Suspension wise, she's riding rough. But whew, I could drive this car forever. I know a lot of y'all on the channel, on the comments. I read the comments. I do. Y'all think that this is my dad's car? I'm here to correct you. This is my car. Halo is my car. I love her. She's great. I don't know if any of this footage is going to be usable, in all honesty. But yo, I love this car. I know a lot of y'all in the comments do talk about, it was like, yeah, I can tell she's all smiles. Yes, I am. I truly, I care about fox bodies. I understand all the challenges that come with it, obviously, in this video. We've dealt with a lot of them, but I could not do it. I could not do it without my dad, Gearhead 704, Mr. Matt. Couldn't do it without Fox Resto, but most of all, I could not do it without loving these cars and all the things that come along with that. And I'm kind of rambling now, honestly. This is probably just for my dad, but thank you. I'm so happy right now. I'm also really tired. Hands are still gross. We're gonna be heading back home now, but so thank y'all for watching Gearhead 704. This is your first time stopping in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure to also hit the like button. And this is probably gonna be heavy on the bloopers, so stay tuned for the bloopers. Thank you. Have a good day. This is gonna be bloopers, but I don't have anything to do right now. You're gonna get me for this video on the channel. We are here to help take care of Halo's fuel pump. I'm gonna say that sentence again because I don't like how it sounded.
Once that's connected, the disconnect.
Oh, I still got my glasses on. It's like confetti, but not the fun kind. Throw into the dust. Throw into the dust. That part wasn't bloopers. I'm glowing. I mean, I'm glowing, but like the sun. The sky's really pretty. I would show you guys. But then I'd have to move the camera, and that's a lot of effort, so.
Here, your dad's gonna hate me. I don't know, he might like me after that correction.
Gearhead 704. Mini Gearhead 704. I'm not mini. I'm not that short. Can't see myself on the... You're gonna waste your battery. Goodness. And your storage. Ah! It's mad at me. No, stop. Socks, shoes. Cars are basically clothes. Hot take on Gearhead 704. I'm going insane. Yeah. Okay, bye.